Example number 13 of the page number 102 of Arya book class 8. Example 13 is saying find the square root of 64009. Here 3 bars is there, then 2 into 2, that is 4, then 240, then 5 times, this is 50, and this is 1509. So 3 times 506. So 259. 253. So you can cross check also. You can multiply 253 into 253. It will be equal to 64009. Example number 14. Find the square root of 279841. 279,841. 8 and 4 then 1. 3 bars, then 5 times 10. That is 104, 204, 41, 9 times 1058. So 9441. So answer is 529. So you can check, you can multiply 529 to 529, you will get the answer. Next is example number 15. Find the square root of 145436. 145436. So number of bar will be 4. 1 time 1 will be there, 2 is there, so 45. So 2 times it is 24, it is 44. So 1 is there, and then 44 is there. So now in here we will put the 240, then 240 will be there, and 0 will be put here, and 0, 0, 0. So here it will be 14436. Now 6 times. So this is the answer. You can verify by multiplying 1206 by 1206. You will get the answer. Example number 16. Find the smallest number which when added to 6156 makes it as a perfect square. Six 6156 2 hours 7 times 12 and 5 6 9 times 8 times we have to keep by 8 times 148 1184. So remainder will be here 156. So remainder will be here 272. That means that we are find the number which when added to the 6156 becomes the square of 79. So 78 square, that is 78 square is less than the 6156 and it will be the more than the 79 squares. So what is the value of 79 square? So here 79 and 79. Six double 31. Seven double 1. And here it is correct. So it is 4, it is 2, and 6241. So we have to find out that number which will be added here, that is 6241, 6241 and 6156. 6156, that is 5. That number is 85. Therefore 85 is the smallest number which when added to the 6156 makes it a perfect square. Alternative methods is also there. So 79 is there. So when it is 72 is there, so you can multiply here by 9. The other method is there. Then you can put here the 9 and here the 9 also. Then you can put here that is 1 8 4 31 1341 minus 1256. That means minus 5 and 8, so minus 85. So this is the answer. If you add here, you will get the 79 square.